I have nowhere to sit.
Just lean back.
We're part of
Lean back to what?
What are you doing?
throw up.
Oh my.
Let me squeeze in here.
I'm gonna squeeze in.
Do you have
Hop on, Poppy. Let's go.
Travis doesn't have allergy brick. I'm gonna need that right now.
Going on, guys.
I'm gonna need that.
I'm gonna need that.
Don't sneeze on my head.
Do it.
What's
do it
going
right
on
now.
YouTube? Welcome back to Bull Fast and Sweaty.
Hey.
You lost them.
Okay, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so no. So we have Steven, Brandon, Arthur, Rose, Brendan,
How do I have so much cat hair on me?
and Jack.
I've been here for 3 seconds and I have so much cat hair. It's the only
I'm gonna be playing sounds off the computer and I'll put them in the video. They're gonna try and guess what motor it is. You guys obviously know. I know, so I'm not playing. But they get 1 point if they can guess. If they can guess the
Fucking suck.
Dude, you got a nice supple lobe. Give me that lobe.
if they can guess who makes the motor, aka Nissan, Toyota, then they get 1 point. If they can get the exact engine code, so like for my motor, it's an SR20 DET. If they can get that to the T,
You
they
have
get
a
a second
DET?
point.
Shut up, Travis.
Alright, let's get
You have a turbo on your car?
No.
Why is it still so slow?
I want those lobes.
Are you guys ready for the first sound?
Yes.
Ready? Yeah, well, if you,
What if you don't know the motor code?
Well,
it's
then
for you.
that's not a point. You need to know the motor code.
Can I go?
No, we all
Well,
have to show together.
yeah, you can all start showing it now. Yeah, I think I need to explain the rules again.
Oh, wait, yeah, you did.
You have to put the manufacturer name too.
No,
What
it's
the
too
fuck?
late. You should have been listening.
No, because okay, you listened.
Yeah.
You listened.
I didn't.
You didn't, but
I-
you can accept it. Rose, you only put the code. I'll explain.
What's the engine code?
I got the car, not the
13B.
exact.
Oh.
Okay, hold on.
13B,
Everybody
that's
hold their
13B.
phones out. Everybody hold their phones out.
It could have
That
been a
makes
20B.
sense. I couldn't remember. I couldn't
It is a
remember.
13B.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh, I am a Mazda RX-7
put your
rotary.
hey, put your phones out.
You dumb.
Phones out so I can explain. Put your phone out with 13B on it so I can explain.
Okay. One
Okay, Dad got 2 points
Nice.
because he put Mazda 13B.
This is horse.
Is Arthur. You get 1
I want
because
to
you
talk.
got
I want to talk to
Mazda.
the manager.
You get 1 because you only put 13B, and you get 1 because you only got 13B. Does it make sense to everybody?
You.
That's not. That's a model.
Another manufacturer.
You shouldn't even get a point.
Okay, so
God
Steven got 1, Jack got 1. Yeah, okay.
I got the car right.
Okay, you ready for
I got
number
the
2?
engine.
You good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Britt's taking points. Britt, say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That could be so
What?
many.
That sounds like
Hey.
That's way too modified to guess, man.
No, that's fully.
That could be like 5 motors.
Well, that makes it hard.
It just makes it impossible.
No, it doesn't.
Play it again.
Yeah, put it again.
Shut up.
As soon as I heard this, I knew what it was. Don't worry about the D-cell.
I think I know what it is.
I think I might. I'm gonna take a random guess.
I will play. I will play it one
more
more
time.
time
One more
before you guys lock in your answers.
I'm not confident in this one.
Neither am I, but.
No, same.
This is probably the hardest one, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I got this wrong.
Okay, hold up your answer.
I'm
Just hold
gonna.
up your answers once you have it written down.
I'm just gonna go with this. I don't think it's right.
Yeah.
I also
Steven, you're
think
screwed.
I think I got it wrong, but
Whoa, you guys all got it wrong. You all thought it was a Nissan RB?
What's
Oh, yeah.
Everybody
I
said. Well,
What'd you
Jack said
say?
26.
I said 20. It
Me
sounds like
too.
a
I
20.
said RB20.
I said
But it also sounds like a 1J on D-cell.
It's a 2J.
Oh.
That
Why is that
was
so
not.
that-
That didn't.
If you don't get this one,
I'm just gonna kill
sad for
myself
all
now.
of you. Yeah.
the engine code.
Can I Google the engine code? Is
No.
that cheating?
No, that's cheating. You didn't?
Okay, one more time. One more time.
No, we've all heard it. I've heard that a billion times.
No. Okay, you obviously all know that it's Britt's car.
That was my answer. I wrote that down.
Britt's car.
engine
Okay,
Hey.
the thing that I found funniest about this that I thought Steve would get
Points
right
for
away.
this?
Yeah,
Was-
it was
was the
immediate.
blow-off.
It was immediate. Hey, like,
Okay, so
We might as well just tell us what it
everybody
is.
got Mazda.
Yeah.
it's a Mazda?
It only matters.
So the motor
Mazda.
code is MZR L3-VDT.
M.
I actually had no idea. I thought it was called the DISI, like D-I-S-I.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
So-
Leave. Just leave.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Welcome to Casting Couch.
Give me a sec.
It's on a dyno.
Oh.
Oh, I know this one. Oh, I know this one.
Yeah, we all know this
You
one.
should know this one.
Do we even have to write this down?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't show it yet, Jack.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
Everybody knows what it is.
Yeah.
Get a bonus point on this one.
What's the bonus point? What do you mean?
Oh.
How do you get a bonus point?
That's what you gotta figure out.
Oh.
His horsepower? 350.
Did I get a bonus point?
Steven's on the right track for the Steven's on the right track for the bonus point.
What do you mean the right track?
I'm on the.
Yeah,
I'm on track for the bonus.
Yeah,
point.
yeah, both of you are.
Oh, so I get the
Yeah,
bonus
yeah,
point. Oh, okay. So
You guys.
You can change yours now.
Oh.
that's what I call stonks.
No.
Here you go, camera.
Oh my
Wait,
God.
what did you say?
Brandon,
What
are
did
you writing
say?
out a
What
whole
did you say?
paragraph?
No, I said the same thing you said. I'm sure.
Okay.
How
So
many points
Jack
did I
gets
get?
2. Jack gets 2.
What?
You got 3.
Hell
Wait,
yeah.
who?
You
Hell yeah.
sorry, Rose gets 3
Hell yeah.
for the bonus point.
Wait.
Steven gets 2 for or 3 for because of the bonus point. Brandon gets 3 because of the bonus point. Arthur, yeah, you put the horsepower. I was looking for Travis's shit.
Oh, you don't get 2 points. 2
I
points.
literally nailed
No,
that.
2 points.
Oh,
I
man.
put 240 at 6.
Point.
Yeah, I said Travis.
He doesn't get a
Oh.
no.
Okay,
No point.
Whoa, hold on. So if you name whose car it is, it's a bonus point?
No,
They're
that's
not
just
all
'cause it
over.
was
That was just for this one. That was just a
How
joke.
many did Arthur get? 2?
2.
2.5.
2.
Oh.
2.5. He said 2.5.
No.
2.5.
No.
said
We wanted him to do the Bobby wing,
Oh,
dude.
Brett doesn't do halves. You're
Because I'm doing it like this, and it's gonna get 2.
Hey, who's winning? Can we get an update?
no.
No.
Why? Give us an update.
5 somewhere.
Oh. One more time. Again.
Okay.
Brandon's the only one that's not ready, I don't think.
Let's go. Hurry up. You get a timeout, dude. He forfeits his points. Wait, is this correct or no?
Oh, okay, I'm changing my.
Hide your answers.
Is this correct or
I'm
no?
changing my answer,
Everybody
but
hide their answers.
I'm changing my answer, but I don't think it's
They're gonna
true.
be able to see.
Are we doing one of those casting videos?
Are we locked in?
What are these cast?
Are we
Sure.
locked in?
You know,
Are
get
we
the
locked
rundown
in?
first? Yeah.
Let's do it.
Show your answers.
I think I'm wrong.
So this was a Toyota
Oh, well, I lost.
1JZ GTE.
Boom!
Yeah.
Oh,
Brett
guys.
with 2J.
Okay.
Very close.
Hey,
Very
1 second.
close.
Shut up.
Okay.
Everyone shut up. Everyone shut up.
It's fine. I know who got what. Okay. Steven got, so it was a Toyota 1JZ GT.
I would like to
So-
see the video clip of that car. Is that a car we know?
No, it's not. So Steven,
That was very nice.
Jack, and
Wait.
Rose got 3 points.
It wasn't dirty.
3.
2 points,
points.
2 points, sorry.
It wasn't dirty.
No, it was like the clean.
It was a very nice-
Arthur got 0.
What did you guess?
What did you
He said Nissan RB25.
Yo!
Yeah.
Guess who's doing the Bobby wing?
And Brandon got 1 point for putting Toyota.
How many are we guessing? How many do we have to guess?
We still have a couple more. Okay, you ready?
Isn't there 11?
Ready?
Ready?
That's a car we know.
Jack's laugh.
That's my grandma.
What?
At the very
Do I
end.
have to write it down?
No, you don't. Does
Everybody knows.
everybody say what it is?
RB20. Nissan RB20 DET.
It doesn't even say it
AKA
right.
Jack Bugs.
Yeah.
So everyone gets.
Everyone
3
gets
points.
2.
3
Yeah,
points.
2 points.
They wouldn't
Everybody
know
knows
what it
Jack's
was.
If everyone knows it's Jack's
Okay,
card,
don't
then
put
yeah.
any points down because it's not gonna matter.
No, that's fine. 3 points.
If you didn't get my grandma's laugh,
I thought I cut it out, but I
No,
didn't.
I heard that and I'm like, that sounds like Jack's car. That sounds like Jack's car before you swapped your exhaust off
It
of
is.
the,
Yeah, it is.
It's
That
with
was
the
the
blast
first
pipe.
With the blast
That was
pipes, yeah.
bringing the
That's
blast
It
pipe.
actually sounded good.
Oh, that's when you first started it when you didn't put any oil in it?
No, that was.
Yeah, good job, Gideon.
No, no.
Everybody wants
No, that was when the
fucking
gas was
under it.
underneath the car.
Yeah, it was that.
You gotta stop saying
No, I
these
gotta
things.
make sure that it sounds okay. Is what I mean.
It's one of us.
Oh,
Oh.
hold on. Okay, cut.
Oh, I know that
I
one.
need to find.
I know that one.
Yeah, sorry,
100%. I know what
I
that
need
is.
to find. I need to find the poll.
That's fine. That's already enough for
I
me.
think
I
we
will,
already
I
know
will
what it is.
You
guess
have to
in
write it
Crab,
down.
don't shut
I have to write it down?
I know. Well, yeah, you can. Yeah, you have to write this one down since I'm reviewing it. If you're so sure you know, you have to
Oh
write it.
fuck! I don't know the
Perfect.
the
Sucks
code
for you.
So what do you do for the engine code in this case?
Sucks. Take a guess.
Wait, what?
Yeah, but like,
Hold on.
do you put the actual engine code, or do you put what it's made to be?
Sorry. Oh, yeah. The second one.
What it's made to be?
No.
Oh,
Put what the engine code is now, I guess.
now? So what it was made to be?
Yes.
I don't
was
know what it
turned
was made to
into,
be,
what
but I
it
know
was
what it
turned
is.
What?
Wait. This one also has a bonus point, because, yeah.
I don't know the code for this car.
Gosh.
Well, I know the code, but I don't know the number.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Hide your answers.
Yeah, don't show me.
Not everybody has written it down.
And by no, not everyone. We mean Dad once again.
Well, and Rose. Rose has
I
not.
really hope Dad gets
What?
this one
Did
wrong.
you write yours
It's
down?
funny.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna lose a point because I don't know the other part. Like I don't know the number part of this.
This is big stonks, dude. Like, I'm not doing a bobby wing.
I'm not either.
I did one last night, so I'm not
Same.
doing it 2 times in a row. That's
You
for
fully have
sure.
You have to. Whoever loses is doing a
Okay,
bobby
is
wing.
everybody,
I'm not losing, that's
Everybody
the
show
thing.
their answers. Okay, close.
No, it doesn't count. Doesn't count.
No, I don't think.
Oh,
It doesn't count.
actually, hang on. He
didn't write
didn't get
very
any
wrong.
points.
No, you got
Actually,
one.
he got one
No,
point.
He got one for the bonus point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody gets. Okay, so this was this was Damien's Nissan KA24 DE-T.
It's not a dash T.
Yes,
It's
it
a
is.
D.
No, it's a
No,
DE.
it's dash
It's a
T.
dash DE.
It's DE dash
That's
T.
not a real engine code.
Yeah,
It's
suck
DE.
it up.
No, it's the same
No,
thing.
no, it's not.
No,
no
it
such
says
thing.
dash T.
No.
I said
Suck
what
it
I
up.
said. Write
I
down
said the
what it
what
turned
it-
into.
what it is.
What it was
no,
made
No,
into.
no,
Yeah,
no. 2 points.
No.
2 points.
No,
get 2
you-
points.
That's
Okay.
No, it's not.
3
There's
for me.
no such thing as a K24
Okay.
This is the best part of the video.
I have it. Hold on.
There's
Can-
no such
let's-
thing.
Can we just go back to
All right,
where I was
no,
explaining this
you're
to
gonna shut
Brandon,
up. You're gonna
and
shut
I
up.
said,
Shut
and I
up,
said
Travis.
what it was made
All right.
into. Put what the engine code is now, I guess.
Now? So what it was made to be.
Yes.
I don't
was
know what it
turned
was made to
into,
be,
what
but I
it
know
was
what it
turned
is.
into.
No,
Yeah.
to
What it was
to
made
Travis's
into.
viewers.
He
All my
did say
friends
that.
are
retards.
They think there's actually a K24
There
DE.
isn't.
God.
Which
We
there
all
isn't.
know
Hey,
there isn't.
It's called a K24 DE.
You
I work
asked-
at Nissan.
You know what's
All of us can vouch. You asked Travis.
Yes, and I made sure it was what it was to be, what it was from the manufacturer.
You also were no.
No, that's not the way you said
No,
that.
That's what
I corrected it after I
Hey,
said what
we have
was
it on.
turned
We have it on
into.
footage.
I get a point.
No.
You get 2 points.
one
yeah.
I get 3 points.
You get 2 points.
No.
Brandon gets 2 points.
Brit's in charge. What do you need to yell at Brit?
Well, give this a thumbs down if you don't like this. Also, unsubscribe from Travis's channel because he's a f***ing re. All
Hey,
right,
who gets what?
there we go.
I don't know, man.
Crab.
Okay, 3 for Steven,
Wait,
3 for Jack,
I got one. I got one at least.
Rose got one.
1
Yeah,
for
I got-
Rose,
yeah, there we go.
3 for Arthur, 2 for Brandon.
He's so mad. Look at him.
It's not wrong.
It's right, but not in this. Not with the way I explained
So
it.
it's incorrect.
Obviously, no, it's turbo.
Okay, we know that you know, and they know. but I said what it was made into.
Yes, he
and
did.
I have that on footage.
He did.
Well, now I
Okay.
know.
Yes, now you know. Hindsight's
Next.
20/20, ain't it?
I know.
Can you give a update on scores just to the
Rose already
camera?
lost.
What?
No, I think Arthur's.
I didn't.
No,
lose.
Rose messed up the last one. So
Yeah, but,
Yeah, but I was
you
killing
he
it
also
at the
got
start.
like 3 points when you got like.
Okay, are you guys
zero.
ready for the next one?
On another.
no, he got 2.
There's still more.
Well,
There's still more. There's still more.
Another made up engine code. Here we go. God damn it.
It's a 2JZ
And Brandon's
dash
like,
T.
Brandon's sitting here like, oh, at the beginning, oh, this isn't gonna be entertaining. We're all just gonna be showing our phones and writing stuff down.
This is hilarious.
Retard.
This is so good. He's so mad. I love it.
I'm really mad.
I'm angry.
Okay.
I'm.
You're all.
Okay, ready?
You're all wrong.
Let's go.
This isn't one of my videos. I can tell
Yeah,
you
that was actually.
I actually don't
confusing.
know.
At first, I thought.
Once I tell you what it is, you'll be like, oh yeah, that makes sense.
Can I play it once more?
Yeah, I will play it twice more.
Am I answering it from factory or what it is now?
What it's made to be.
Oh no, I actually know why you're answering this.
Yeah,
I know
yes.
why you're asking this.
Yes.
Because you know exactly what it is.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So we're doing it what it is now.
What it is now?
What it is in the video there. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
what it is now, what it was turned into.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect.
So another made up engine code then, right?
Okay, does everyone
You
have
didn't play the
answers?
end of it.
Put it out.
The
Just
end
put
of
it
the video
out.
is the best
I
part.
think I'm wrong.
I don't have
Very
the end of the
wrong.
video.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm fully wrong.
Do I have to show mine again?
What is it?
Yeah. It is a Nissan S. Or sorry, RB26DET. But you're right. I actually fully
Yeah.
forgot that R34s came like factory twin turbo.
Yes, they did.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
TT.
No.
So,
No. I fully got it wrong.
Wait, what
I thought
did
it
you
was.
write?
I said RB30.
Oh, it's not an RB30.
No. 6.
I thought I said 26 originally, and I was like,
It's not that.
no, but I was
far
like,
out.
it sounds like it was made to be something else, so I thought.
Yeah.
Same turbo.
No, yeah, that's
Yeah.
what you meant. Because
No,
I know, I
know,
from
I know.
factory,
2
and that's a
points.
big single.
Excuse me?
You got 2 points.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got Nissan and you got the intro.
Got me too.
Arthur got 2. Rose got 1 because you put Nissan, right?
I said RB, but I didn't
Did
say
you
the
put
right.
Nissan?
Yeah,
You got
I
a
said
point.
Nissan RB. I said
Yeah, you got a point.
RB30.
Jack got. Did you put TT or
Incorrect.
T?
T.
T? Okay. I just
Yeah.
grabbed the first one.
Ew.
Oh my god.
It's your cat.
They're right here.
Yeah, actually.
No, it's not.
That was
That's a win.
You know what happened? Here's a fun fact. When I had my fucking tonsils taken out and they took out a part of my sinuses, because they removed my adenoids, my sneezes got 10 times worse. It's ruining my life.
I'll keep it this in between
Okay.
you and Jack.
Are you guys ready for the next one?
God damn it.
ready.
Along the road tonight, as my